In a world where pain often hides behind a smile, and love sometimes comes from the most unexpected places, A Way of Escape tells the heartfelt story of Victory, a young woman silently enduring harsh treatment in her cousin's home. Though her days are filled with tears and silent prayers, she remains faithful, hoping for a breakthrough. Her close friend, Munichi, unknowingly becomes the answer to her prayers when she offers her a surprising proposal, marriage to her godly brother. As their friendship deepens and truth unfolds, A Way of Escape explores how divine connections and simple acts of love can become the very hands God uses to rescue His children. This Christian animated movie reminds us that when man turns his back, God never does. He always makes a way of escape for those who trust in Him. Victory, there's something important I've been thinking about. That's why I call you out here. You've been more than a friend to me, you're like a sister, and I'd love to see you become part of my family for real.
What do you mean by that, Mina? You're sounding all serious and emotional. Don't scare me, talk to me.
I want you to marry my brother. You're godly, kind, and I know you'll be a blessing to him. I've been praying about it, and I feel peace in my heart.
Marry your brother? Mina, this is so sudden. I don't even know what to say right now. But your words are touching, honestly.
I know it's a lot to take in, but I trust you, and I trust my brother too. You both love God, and that's a strong foundation.
Mina, let me open up to you. I've been going through so much in my cousin's house. My auntie treats me like a burden instead of family. I cook, clean, and do all the chores alone. Even when I fall sick, no one cares to ask. It's like I'm invisible unless they need something. My cousin makes things even worse. He talks down on me, insults me daily. Sometimes I cry myself to sleep, wishing for an escape.
Oh Victory, I had no idea it was this bad. Why didn't you tell me all this before now? You didn't deserve to suffer like this in silence.
I didn't want to burden you with my troubles. You already have your own life and worries. But now that you brought this up, I feel it's time. Maybe this is God's way of rescuing me. Maybe He heard my cries and opened the door. If this is His plan, I won't hold back.
I truly believe it is, Victory. God never forgets His children, even in silence. I'm so happy you're open to this.
I just want peace, Mina. I want a home where I'm loved, not used. If your brother is anything like you, I believe I'll be safe.
He is, Victory. Gentle, respectful, and God-fearing. I've always dreamed of having you as my sister-in-law. Let's pray and trust God to perfect everything. I will make an arrangement for you to meet, so as to talk things out.
Thank you, Mina. I feel so much hope right now. God bless you for thinking of me this way. Whatever His will is, I'll walk in it boldly. Did Minachi really say she wants me to marry her brother? That was unexpected. She's always been kind, but I never imagined something like this coming from her. Could this really be God's doing? Or is it just a coincidence? I've cried so many nights in that house. No peace, no love, just pain. And now, suddenly, a door is opening, a chance for something different. Maybe God heard all those silent prayers after all. Her brother. I don't even know him well, but if he's like Minachi, then maybe, just maybe, there is hope for me. A new beginning. I don't want to rush, but deep inside, I feel a strange kind of peace. After all I've been through, could this really be my time to smile again? Lord, help me not to doubt what you're doing. If this is your way of lifting me, I won't fight it. I just want a home where I'm seen, where I'm safe, where I'm loved. Maybe this is the answer I've been waiting for. Maybe this is my way of escape. Cousin, I'm sorry for calling you outside this late. I just needed to talk to someone about something important. Please, give me just a few minutes, it won't take long.
Are you okay at all? Why would you call me out by this time of the night? Do I look like someone who has time for midnight talk?
I just had a conversation with my friend Minachi today. She said something that got me thinking seriously. She wants me to marry her elder brother.
Wait, what? Her brother? So you're now the type that people are matchmaking. Victory, are you hearing yourself at all? What does this brother even do? Is he rich, or just another roadside preacher like most of them? I hope he's not one of those jobless church boys. Oh.
He's a responsible man, and he fears God. I don't know everything yet, but I feel peace about it. At least, I know he's not the type to treat me badly.
You, Victory, do you think good and rich men look for girls like you? Wake up, my dear, you're dreaming too much. If anyone wants to marry you, he must be managing. No man with sense and wealth will pick someone like you. Look around, even your reflection knows the truth. Excuse me.
I shouldn't have told her anything. Why did I think she would understand or support me? Each time I try to open up, it ends in shame. Lord, forgive me for casting my pearls before swine. I just needed someone to talk to, but she crushed my heart again. Why do I keep trusting those who see me as nothing? When my father and mother forsake me, then the Lord will take me up. Psalm 27:10. Yes, Lord. You've always been my hiding place. When people reject me, you draw me closer. Many are the afflictions of the righteous, but the Lord delivers him out of them all. Psalm 34:19. This pain won't last forever, I believe that now. God is planning something better, something beautiful. For I know the thoughts that I think toward you. Jeremiah 29:11. Yes, Lord, your thoughts are of peace, not of evil. You've promised me a future and a hope. I won't let her words break me this time. She may laugh now, but my joy is coming soon. You, O Lord, are my portion and strength forever. From now on, I'll hide my dreams in prayer. Not everyone deserves access to what you're doing in my life. You are enough for me, Lord, and I trust your way of escape. Good evening. You must be Daniel, right? Minachi told me about you, and I wasn't sure this meeting would happen. But here we are.
Yes, I'm Daniel. And I must say, it's a pleasure to finally meet you, Victory. My sister has said wonderful things about you. Please sit.
Thank you. Really? I'm surprised. I didn't think she would actually go this far. I hope she didn't exaggerate anything.
No, she didn't. She only told me the truth. That you're hardworking, prayerful, and full of grace. I respect that deeply, it's rare to find.
Thank you, that means a lot. Honestly, I wasn't expecting all this. Especially not from someone like you.
Someone like me? What do you mean by that? Please don't let anything or anyone make you feel small. You are worthy of love and respect, no less than anyone.
I've just been through a lot. So hearing all this feels strange, almost too good. It's been years of rejection, insults, and pain.
I understand. Minachi told me a little. But I'm not here to pity you, I see your strength. You've survived what would break many.
Thank you, Daniel. I just want peace. I'm tired of trying to prove my worth. Tired of being treated like I don't matter.
Victory, let me tell you about myself. I run a construction and logistics firm. By God's grace, things are good. But beyond the wealth, I live to please God. I'm not perfect, but I take my relationship with God seriously. I believe in love that honors, not love that controls. If I marry, I want my wife to be my friend and prayer partner.
That sounds beautiful. I've never heard a man talk like this before. Most men around me just see women as tools.
Sadly, that's true for many. But I was raised to see women the way God sees them, precious. Any woman who fears God is far above rubies.
I never thought I'd sit here talking to a man like you. I don't even know what to say. But thank you for this gentle conversation.
I'm not here to rush you or pressure you. I just want you to know who I am and what I value. If God leads us, then I'll walk that path with joy.
You're making me believe that maybe good men still exist. Maybe this is God's way of answering my hidden prayers. Maybe this is the beginning of my healing.
And maybe it's the beginning of something beautiful. Let's keep talking, keep praying, and trust God fully. Whatever He ordains will surely stand.
Auntie, good evening, Ma. There is something important I need to discuss with you. Please, can we talk for a few minutes?
What is it again, Victory? You've been walking around here with a different kind of smile. What have you gotten yourself into this time?
It's nothing bad, Ma. It's about a man I recently met through Minachi. His name is Daniel, her elder brother.
Daniel? So what about him? Why are you bringing his name into this house now? What does he want with you?
He came to see his family today, but also came to see me. He said he's been praying about me for a while. And now he wants to get to know me better with marriage in view.
Wait. Marriage? So someone is finally looking your way? What does he do for a living?
He owns a construction and logistics company. He's very comfortable and God-fearing. Not proud, very respectful.
Ah. So he has money. Victory, this is good news. Oh. You mean you've been talking to a rich man all this while? Listen, you must use sense now. Since he's rich, he should start contributing something to this family. After all, we've been feeding you since.
Auntie, I don't think that's right. I only just met him. Nothing has been finalized. It would be unfair to start placing financial expectations on him.
Look at this girl talking. So you mean after all we've done for you, we won't benefit anything? Are we going to eat your pretty smile?
I'm not saying you won't benefit, Ma. But everything must happen in its proper time. I can't start asking him for money when we're just getting to know each other.
You better think well, Victory. Rich men don't like poor in-laws who sit quietly. If he really likes you, he should show it with money.
He has shown me respect and kindness, and that's enough for now. Marriage is not just about money, it's about purpose and peace. And I want this one to be different.
You're beginning to sound like you know better than me. Don't forget you're still under my roof. You have no right to reject my advice.
I understand, Auntie, and I respect your role in my life. But I also know what God expects from me. And I won't start this journey with greed or pressure.
Do whatever you like. But remember, this house still feeds you. Just don't come back crying later. Amanda. Come and sit down here. Look at you, just sitting there painting your nails. With all your beauty, not even one serious man has shown up. Yet your cousin Victory, always wearing the dull coverall, has attracted a rich man.
Wait, what? A man came for Victory? Which Victory? The one that ties scarf morning to night? Mummy, are you joking with me right now?
I'm not joking. Oh. A rich, respectful, God-fearing man came to see her through Minachi. The man even owns a logistics and construction company.
Construction and logistics. That's big money, Mummy. So, she just met him like that. Where did she see such a person?
Through Minachi, her friend. That girl is quiet, but her destiny is making noise. I'm still shocked that someone like her could get such a man. You.
And me, I've done makeup,
hair, worn fine clothes, attended events, even joined ushering group in church, yet no man has asked for me seriously.
That's what pains me. You prettier, more exposed, more fashionable. But life is smiling at victory instead.
So what do we do now, Mummy? Because if this man truly has money, and she marries him, she'll leave us behind for good.
That's why we need to act fast. We can't just let her rise like that. She must not forget where she's coming from. First, we'll make her feel guilty for not helping this house. We'll demand that the man start supporting us financially. If she refuses, we'll say she's ungrateful.
But what if the man refuses to? You know these quiet Christian men don't like trouble. He may walk away instead.
Exactly. If he walks away, she'll return to square one. And that's what we want. She must not grow wings under this roof.
Mummy, you're smart. So, we frustrate her gently until the man either leaves or starts spending. Either way, we gain something.
That's the plan. And if she dares argue with me again, I'll remind her of all we did for her. I'll turn this house against her completely.
What if Munichi visits again? She may encourage Victory to stand her ground. Should we start with her too?
Leave Munichi for now. She's not living in this house, so she has no power here. Our target is Victory, and we'll hit her where it hurts.
All right, Mummy. Let's see how long she'll last without our support. She'll either bend or break.
Let's see how far prayers and coveralls can take her. She may have found a man. But she hasn't found freedom, not yet.
Victory, come let's gist. I heard something interesting from Mummy, so it's true a man came to see you. I didn't take you serious when you were trying to tell me that night.
Yes, Amada, it's true. His name is Daniel, Minachi's elder brother. He's kind, gentle, and very God-fearing.
God-fearing and rich. That's rare. You must be really lucky. Victory, tell me, what does he do again?
He owns a construction and logistics company. He's doing well, but he's also humble. He says he wants to build a godly home.
Sounds like a dream man. But listen, from now on, you have to start dressing well. Those your long gowns and headscarves won't keep any man.
Amada, dressing? Daniel didn't complain about the way I dress. He likes me just the way I am.
That's what they say in the beginning. But men are moved by what they see. Victory, start wearing attractive clothes so he doesn't look elsewhere. And another thing, be wise. Ask him for money, nothing big, just to test him. Let him start supporting you in this house.
Amada, I appreciate your concern. But I'm not entering this relationship to manipulate. If it's God's will, He will sustain it. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Proverbs 31:30. I want to be known for godliness, not just looks. True love sees beyond appearance. The blessing of the Lord makes rich, and He adds no sorrow with it. Proverbs 10:22. I won't turn a blessing into sorrow with greed. This must be built on faith, not pressure. A prudent wife is from the Lord. Proverbs 19:14. If I want to be that wife, I must be led by God, not by tricks or worldly advice.
You and Bible again. Just don't say I didn't warn you. These men act nice and later change.
I know, Amada. That's why I'm praying through it all. Daniel is not my savior, God is. If this is truly from Him, He will protect it. I'd rather be poor in peace than rich in manipulation. Let me follow God's way, not man's wisdom. He who began this good work will complete it. Come in. Please.
Victory. You look surprised. I had to come in person. Your line hasn't been going through. I was really worried.
Daniel. What are you doing here so early? I just woke up now and went to check my phone charger. But I couldn't find my phone.
I've been calling since yesterday evening. I was hoping everything was okay. I'm so glad you're fine.
I'm fine, oh, thank you. But you shouldn't have come like this, Daniel. My auntie doesn't like unannounced visitors.
I understand, and I'm sorry. I just needed to be sure you were safe. Next time, I'll make sure to send word first.
Please, let's not stay long out here. If she sees you, there might be trouble. There was no formal notice, and you know how she can be.
All right, I'll leave soon. But before I go, I came with something important. I wanted to give you an official date for the family visit.
Really? You've already fixed a date? That's serious. What day did you choose?
Yes, I've prayed about it. I'll be coming with my parents 2 Sundays from now. We'll come right after service to meet your family properly.
Wow, thank you for taking that step. I'm happy, but also nervous. I'll inform my auntie today so they can prepare.
Also brought this, one of my phones. You can use it since your current one is missing. At least, I'll know you're reachable.
Thank you, Daniel, but I can't accept that. It's kind of you, but it doesn't feel right yet. We're not even officially engaged.
I understand. I just want to make things easier for you. But I respect your decision completely. You're different, Victory. That's why I admire you.
And I appreciate you for understanding me. It means a lot that you didn't push. Some men would have been offended.
Offended? Not at all. This journey must be built on trust, not pressure. I'll just keep doing my part, prayerfully and patiently.
Let me walk you out before Auntie comes. Thank you for caring and for the surprise. May God perfect what He's started between us.
And so, Victory's journey begins to take shape, one guided not by manipulation or outward beauty, but by faith, patience, and divine alignment. Despite the opposition in her own household and the hidden plots against her joy, she chooses to walk in light, holding on to God's promises. Daniel, a man of wisdom and peace, continues to pursue her with honor, refusing to be distracted by appearances or pressured by expectations. Their story is not yet over. Will Victory's family support her, or will their jealousy grow stronger? Will love conquer manipulation and deceit? Find out in part 2 of A Way of Escape, where secrets will be revealed, hearts will be tested, and God's hand will be made even more evident. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fortune Word Animation for more inspiring Christian stories.